大家好，我是凯丽。今天我们来讲二和两的区别。二、两不都一样吗？有什么区别？我想用哪个就用哪个。那可不行。我们来看为什么。
Let's look at the difference of 二 and 两。For example, 22,222, or we say 22,222. One means 10,000, 千 means thousand. 两个苹果 we never say 二个苹果。两个人第二名 we never say 第两名。第二天 when pronouncing alone 二 pronounced as 二。When pronouncing in some dialects it pronounced as 两。When it comes to sequencing it's 第一第二 we never say 第两。Or we say 1/2 1/2 2.2 We cannot use this to say 两。222 When we say 两 it must be used above 100 and 1000 we say 2222 二 cannot be used with a measure word, while 两 can be used with a measure word. For example, 两个杯子二 cannot be used with international units, while 两 can be used with international units. 2000米千米 kilometer二 can be used with domestic units. For example, 二两 is the measure word. 二两 While 两 can be used with domestic units as well. For example, 两斤二 cannot be used with time, while 两 can be used with time. For example, 2小时 2 hours 小时 hour. When describing approximate concept, we say 20几岁 about 20 years old. 20几岁 We can never say 20几岁 we always say 20几岁 Or 过2天we don't say 过2天过2天
If you like this video, please hit the like button and forward to your friends so they can learn Chinese too. I will keep updating Chinese learning videos and videos about Chinese culture. So please do subscribe my channel and follow me on other social media platforms as well. Make sure you hit the bell and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of my new videos. To see more Chinese learning videos, please go to my website. I read all the comments, so please let me know what do you want to know about the Chinese culture or about the Chinese language. I will make new videos. Thank you for your support. See you next time. 再见。